You know, parents spend so much time trying to devise ways to get their kids off of the screens, but what if there was a camp or an after-school program where being on the screen was the whole idea? In fact, it's a great way to really be solidifying your future if you learn to code. And this is Ryan Clark of Code Ninjas. We're here at one of your 6 dojos in town. I love the whole idea that this is a dojo because you operate with a belt system, right?
Yes, ma'am. So we take that screen time and turn it into something positive. We teach kids how to code, how to build robots, drones, and other technologies. And we do it through a really fun and creative way through that 9-belt process where they start with the foundations at white, and by the time they get black belt, they actually code their very own video game.
That's pretty amazing. I mean, like I said, there are so many parents that are so concerned about it. Not that there aren't things out there that you should be concerned about. Well, one thing you've got to know is if you're not learning this, you're gonna be behind.
Absolutely. The way we think about it is we're building the foundation, but we're also adding on to it. With AI coming on, we have an AI Academy teaching Python and how to build machine learning algorithms, all the good things there. And so you build the foundation and you grow from it.
All right, and I know this spills over into all subjects, but why don't we take a quick little walk through this dojo and then we'll tell you about a grand opening of the very latest brand new location. So we see that we have some ninjas obviously working on their belts right now, right?
Absolutely.
Are they creating games? What are they doing?
That's right. So turning that screen time into something positive. Instead of playing games, they're building games. So they're learning JavaScript, which you can use for websites as well and other productive tools. And as they build and learn, they'll belt up. So right now we have a ninja working on his orange belt. And as he learns JavaScript and he publishes his game, he'll be able to belt up to green.
Wow, that is so cool. But the games are the one thing. This is something I was not expecting because I know so little about what you do here. What is this, a drone playground?
This is a drone playground. We like to call it our drone dome. So everything we do is that mixture of fun and education. So they're learning how to code on these little drones. And so we have different challenges for them where they'll code a drone to fly through different obstacles, and we have different themes like how do you save someone from an accident, and you have to get the drone from one spot to the other, code it along the way. It's a really fun way to learn code and learn tech while having a fun time doing it.
This is like sneaking vegetables into like chocolate. I mean, this is
That's right.
Really,
that's all the time.
This is really great. Okay, what's going on with the Lego?
Okay. This is the next level here. So this is our first Lego League board, but what it does is add an element of competition to the technologies that we're teaching. So I, as a soccer player, love going to a tournament on the weekends and being able to brag that I was at a tournament. At Code Ninjas, we do that with robots. So they learn how to code a robot. Here we have a really cool one where they put a hammer attachment, and they got to figure out how to get this robot around this board to accomplish the 15 missions on there. And the team that does it the fastest with the fewest errors and gets the most missions complete gets the highest score and wins that event. And
Are you telling me though that this all starts on a keyboard?
All starts on a keyboard.
That's
this
incredible.
Little brain right here, this is the brain. We code that brain, and then they're able to hit the button, run it autonomously, and it'll accomplish all those missions. It's really, really cool.
Wow, and people are leveling up every day, right?
Every day. We have 16 black belts in Northeast Florida over the last 5 years, and we have thousands of ninjas that come in our doors every day trying to learn and become their best.
Okay, well, we do have a little leveling up ceremony we're going to let you be treated to in just a moment with Benjamin, but first, tell us about the grand opening.
Awesome. So our 6th dojo, Code Ninjas San Pablo, is opening, and we're going to have our grand opening tomorrow, Saturday, from 10 to 2 at Code Ninjas San Pablo.
And we're surrounded by ninjas now. Is anybody here a orange belt already? Who's got a couple orange belts? We've got a couple of aspiring orange belts. And Benjamin, I understand it is your time. So step right up, sir, and give it a big old gong. Woo! Orange belt right here. Code Ninja, congratulations.